This is Helpscreen, and this is how to add Navy Federal Card to Apple Wallet. So this is a step-by-step guide, so follow along. So guys, in order for you to do this, is first things first, you need to go to the device settings, and then after that, go to the wallet and Apple Pay. As you can see on the screen, under payment cards section, tap on add card, and then tap on the type of card which best describe your situation. For this case, I'll go with debit or credit card, and then just hit continue. After that, tap on enter card details manually, and then from there, guys, just provide your Navy Federal cards details. And then after that, just hit next. And then from there, you'll be able to add the Navy Federal card to Apple Wallet. So guys, just follow these steps that I'm showing you on the screen in order for you to successfully add your card. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.